Hello and welcome to this tutorial. In today's tutorial, we'll see a new feature that has been added in Prodigi 4.5, the exam mode feature. To access or configure your exam mode, tap on the settings icon in Prodigi. Scroll down the options until you see exam mode and tap on it. In here, you have different options. First option on the top is to enable or disable the exam mode. The next option down is the start time option. So if you tap on start time, this will increment by 1 hour, or you can make it start at now. You can set the duration, which will be by 30 minutes in interval. And also, you can set any part of Prodigi that you want to disable or enable. By default, all these will be set to disable. You just need to tap on any of them to enable or disable. So for example, one of the features that we can disable or enable is the exit to Android. Another one is to capture and gallery. So let's tap on capture and gallery to enable them and keep the books and the calculator disabled. Once I'm ready, I have to start my exam mode. So tap on exam mode off, it will turn to on. Once I click on my back button, Prodigy will prompt me to create a PIN number. It's a 4-digit PIN number. Once I'm ready, just tap on the paper airplane on the top right corner. My exam mode has started. I will go back to my gallery. Remember that we have enabled the gallery and the magnifier to take a capture. So if I tap on gallery, my gallery will be accessible. If I tap on magnifier, my magnifier will be also accessible. But if I tap on my books application or my calculator application, I will be prompted that I am in exam mode. The same for the exit to Android. So if I use my 4-finger or 5-finger press and hold, this will not work. I will not be able to go out to Android. To disable or to turn off your exam mode, either the duration has to finish or you can manually turn it off by going back into settings, scroll to my exam mode, enter my PIN, and then tapping on exam mode. This will turn off my exam mode. Thank you for listening.